Hello students. In the last class we studied about the tense. So today we will continue this topic ahead and we will learn something more about tenses. Before moving to today's topic, let's do some revision of previous class. So in the last class we studied about tense. What are tense? Tense tells us about the time of action, at what time the action is performed. On the basis of time, we have divided tense into three types. The very first is present tense, the second is past tense, and the third one is future tense. In the present tense, we studied that the actions or those verb which happens currently lies under present tense. And on the basis of singular and plural subject, there were different forms we used of verb. With the plural subject, we use the base form of verb, that is V1. With the singular subject, we added s or es with the base form of verb. Singular subjects were he, she, it or name, and the plural subjects were you, we, they or I. Examples were you live in Bhilwara, she writes with her left hand. In past tense, we studied verb or action that has already happened. We use second form of verb in past tense. Examples are plugged, barked, and played. Future tense, verb that is about to take place in the coming time, means those actions which you will perform now. We use will before using the verb in the future tense. Example, we will play the match, I will score good marks in test. Student, these all topics we have yesterday we have studied. So what I am doing is I am just giving a brief to you so that you be clear with the topics. Yesterday we also studied about the differentiation of the John's activity, right? What John does every day and what John did yesterday. So we differentiated in these two as present tense and past tense. We learned about the conversion as well from present tense to past tense. So today what we are going to do, we are going to learn some more conversions from present tense to past tense. Yesterday we had only 4 or 5 conversions. Today we will learn about more conversions, right? Okay, first of all, read about the yesterday's one. Cook, cooked, stop, stopped, rob, robbed, wait, waited. So in yesterday's class, we learned that we have to add ed, but do we have to add ed in each and every case? No, it is not necessary that every time you have to add ed. With different verbs and with different cases, you have to do different changes. So today we are going to learn that only. Okay, so in the first slide, in the today's first slide, we are having formation of past form or second form of the verb. Means how we can form the past form or second form. So by adding ed with the base form of the verb, what we have to do? We have to add ed. Look plus ed, that becomes looked. Help plus ed, that becomes helped. Finish plus ed, that becomes finished. Paint plus ed, that becomes painted. Wash plus ed, that becomes washed. Walk plus ed, that becomes walked. In the next slide, we are having again the formation of past form or second form of the verb. In this slide, we will learn how we can change the present form of verb to past form just by adding a single word d. Like if you are having a verb close, you just need to add a single d and that will become closed and that will be your past form. Same with the dance, you add d, that will become danced. Save plus d, that becomes saved. Receive plus d, that becomes received. Believe plus d, that becomes believed. So this is the set in which we add d only. Okay, so in this slide we are having some more conversions. Let me zoom it so that will be properly visible and properly visible to you, and that will be very helpful to understand. Okay, so in the left hand side we are having try, the conversion is tried. Cry, cried. Hurry, hurried. So in these three set, if you watch what we did, we just removed the y and added ied, right? In three of the cases. In all these different cases, we do different changes. Rap becomes wrapped. trap becomes trapped, pet becomes petted, sing becomes sang, bring becomes brought, fly becomes flew, ring becomes rang, fall becomes fell, forget becomes forgot, choose becomes chose, drink becomes drank, grow becomes grew, leave becomes left, meet becomes met, send becomes sent. So these are the other conversion. Here we are having some more changes. Present tense to past tense, and this verb do not change at all, right? There is no change in the verb. If you see, the present and the past form remains the same. Put remains put, cut remains cut, hit remains hit, and bet remains bet. So there is no change in this. In the next slide, today we are having present continuous tense. In present continuous tense, continuous time tell us about the action that are happening now. Those actions which are happening now, वो काम जो अभी हो रहे हैं. Let's say I'm speaking, you are watching a video. So what is happening? I'm speaking, that action I'm doing right now. You are watching, that action also you are doing right now. So all the actions surrounding to us are happening in the current time, comes under the present continuous tense. We add the ing to change the verb into continuous. What we do? We add the ing to change the verb into continuous, right? We use ismr as helping verb in the present continuous tense. Which helping verb we use? Is, am, and are. There are some examples given to us here. The girl is playing with her doll. So what the girl is doing? Girl is playing. I am writing a letter. The boy is walking with his mother. We are studying. If you notice, in each of the sentences, what we have done, we have added ing with the verb. That is the rule of continuous tense. What you have to do, you have to add ing with the verb, and you also have to use ismr as the helping verb. What you have to do, you have to use ismr as the helping verb, right? Next slide, we are having past continuous tense. In the previous slide, we learned about the present continuous tense, and this you will learn about the past continuous tense. Past continuous time tells us about the actions that were happening in past. Means those actions which were happening in past. You are not performing those actions right now. Those actions were all you were performing in past. Let's say you were drinking milk, you were having your breakfast, you were taking your breakfast, right? You were playing some game, you were watching some another video, you were watching television. So those all actions you were performing in the past will lie under past continuous tense. I have told you that in continuous tense, what we do, we add ing with the verb. In the last slide also I told you that you have to add ing. In this slide also, again I'm telling you what you have to do. You have to add ing with the verb. But if you focusly notice, in the third point there is little bit change. In present continuous tense, we learn that the helping verb is, am, and are. But in past continuous tense, the helping verb is was and were. So here we are having a difference. What difference we are having? In present continuous tense, we are having the helping verb is, am, are, and in past continuous tense, was, were are our helping verb. What are our helping verbs in past continuous tense? That is was and were. Now let's read some examples as well. Miss Sheena was cleaning the board. So she was cleaning the board means she was cleaning in the past. She's not doing it right now. She was doing it in the past. The second example we are having is the children were packing their books into their bag. What the children were doing? Children were packing their books into their bag. So again, they were performing this action in the past. They are not doing it right now. They were doing it in the past. I hope I'm clear till here. If I'm not clear, then please rewind the video and watch it again to be clear with the topic. That will help you to do your homework. So here we will end the session. I hope you understand it fully and grasp it fully. If you have not understood it, then please go again with the video, watch it again, and if you have got it, then that's very, very good. Thank you everyone for watching the video and attending the session. Thank you everyone.